Hello everyone, welcome to the Extramarks session. This session is just a message to all the students who have just passed out from their class 11 and are about to start their journey in their class 12th. So, बच्चों, क्या आप जानते हैं कि क्लास 11th में लर्न करे हुए इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट्स जैसे कि मैकेनिक्स कितने ज्यादा एक्चुअली इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं क्लास 12th और जेईई प्रिपरेशंस के लिए? सो लेट मी टेल यू, जो बच्चे क्लास 11th को बहुत अच्छे से समझ पाते हैं वे बच्चे क्लास 12th में रिलेटिवली ज्यादा अच्छा स्कोर कर पाते हैं इन बोर्ड्स एज वेल एज इन देयर जेईई प्रिपरेशंस. Also, secondly, in JEE, more than 40 to 50% questions are directly or indirectly from class 11. So basically, class 11th concepts have a huge advantage. So keeping all this advantage in mind, we at Extramarks have brought to you a finely designed course known as the Capsule course. Yes, my dear students, just like a capsule cures all the important diseases, this capsule will cure all your 11th diseases. That means all the weak concepts of your in 11th class. So main features of this capsule course are as follows. This is basically a 3-week rigorous program which will be commencing from 16th of March, and every week all 3 subjects, physics, chemistry and maths, will be taken up by the senior and experienced faculties of Extramarks. Also, there will be a huge rigorous testing every week on Monday, and the classes will be tentatively scheduled on Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. And imagine, what's the most important thing about this capsule course? Yes, you're right, no registration fees. There is no registration fees for this wonderful bridge capsule course. So my dear students, don't be late. Do not delay. This is a wonderful opportunity to atone all your weak concepts of 11th class. Finally, registrations have already started. Go to the web page of Extramarks, go to the web app of Extramarks, register and enroll yourself and take the wonderful advantage which we are offering. Thank you and wishing you a great luck and career for your life. Thank you.